Are you busy and go to work and you get there and then you're stuck? You're stuck in sugar. And everywhere you go, there's junk food. And you wish I made something ahead of time. Well, I've been there and I got you covered now. Right now, the holiday season is here and pumpkin spice, whatever, is among us. And everyone loves that pumpkin spice. But most of the time, it's with processed sugar that leads to self-sabotage, endless cycles of sugar and craving, and just this thought of just one more time ends in a vicious cycle that never ends. What if I told you I can help you break that cycle by going ahead and planning ahead of time and making these stag bites, which are pumpkin spice power balls, peanut butter balls, that help when you just need a little snack throughout the day or planned ahead you can take to work, and then you're ready, and just one of these balls will get you going through the day. And paired with my Radiant Walk, it's amazing and I love it. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dive right in, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this recipe. And this is fun because I love pumpkin spice flavors, and to know that this is very healthy and guilt-free and gives me energy, I want you to enjoy this type of elevated life. And if you want more information, I made a course that's a PDF, and comment reset below and I'll send it to you. Let's dive in. So you'll need almond butter, pumpkin spice, wherever I had put that. I'm using this Love Crunch. It's on sale. Not the best. I would definitely tell you to go get Bare Naked if you're in the US. It's at Walmart, really good price, way better healthy than this one. I'm just too far to get to Walmart and had to pick the best one health-wise, and here it is. So, and then I'm going to add turmeric, some sea salt, and we're going to add a little bit of unsweetened coconut milk. I want to add protein powder. Highly recommend that one. Not sponsored. I just love that brand. And some nuts. I got a good deal on these, so we're going to use walnuts. It could be like pumpkin seeds, an omega-3 trail mix, if you see that, and some coconut shreds and chia seeds, and a bowl to make it in. So it's got and if you really want to be fun, a little bit of dark chocolate. Anyway, I might add that in there. I'm not sure. Probably will, since I have it over here. Make sure you get like the darkest chocolate possible. So I wonder what I did with that pumpkin spice, though. It's kind of a big deal. Of course, I use it while I'm filming, you know, that's really fun. I found it. All right, pumpkin spice. Okay, so you'll get out a measuring tape bowl or something. You're going to want to put, I'm just going to use my, why? Because it's almost empty, and that's about how much peanut butter you need to use anyway. So I'm mixing the two. You want to put 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree with peanut butter. And since I'm not using the bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and that it's almost empty, so it makes sense. Anyway, then you want to use a half a teaspoon pumpkin spice. I'm guesstimating because that's what I can do right now. Unfortunately, I don't have all of the tools I need. Just put a dash of sea salt. If you use pink Himalayan salt, if you can, that'd be great. Then turmeric, a dash of turmeric. Whoops, that's more than the dash I want. Oh well. I'm going to put a little bit of apple cider vinegar, about half a teaspoon. And then we need to make you want to take, I'm using a Vitamix or food processor would work too. You're going to need to put a half of cup of dried coconut. About a tablespoon of chia seed. You want to get a handful of walnuts. Here, we'll count out the halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 halves. Unfortunately, my video got some issues and didn't record all of it, so that's fun. So what we want to do is pick up where we left off. So you want to go ahead and grind up half a cup of shredded coconut, like a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of that granola. You want to count 10 walnuts, I believe it was. And then you want to put in a little bit of that tablespoon of chia seeds. And you grind it all up together, and then you roll the balls in it, and you get this. And you want to make them the size of a dime. It's okay if they're small, like little bite size. That's actually better. So don't forget to put them in a container and in a freezer for 30 minutes. So let me show you what it looks like. I made little small ones, and I'll show it to you in 1 minute. And here we go. Oh, they're cute. They taste amazing. Make them. But you want to freeze them so they're hard. They taste better hard. Trust me. I'm just eating them on camera so you can see. So if you like my pumpkin spice stag bites and you're at work craving some sugar and you didn't make them, go home and make them. They're amazing. I'm making them and I'm going to bring them to work. And then this pairs wonderfully with my Radiant Walk. So if you haven't seen that yet, watch that video next and I'll see you there.